Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn about PIP, and PIP is a package installer for Python. You can think of it like that. And later on when we do other things, you might say, well, I need these modules to work, or I'm going to ask you to install modules. And PIP is how you get it. Now there's tons of websites out there that tells you all kinds about different PIP modules that are available. I like using Beautiful Soup. That's the name of a module. Beautiful Soup allows me to scrape XML and HTTP data. I use Keyboard. Keyboard allows me to detect keystrokes on the keyboard in Python. But there's lots of them out there. So why don't we take a look at how to install PIP using vscode, how to install these modules. So to pip something, you need the terminal. In Visual Studio Code, you click on terminal at the top and just say new terminal. And now you might be wondering, well, what do I type in here? Well, let's take a look at how to install Beautiful Soup using pip in terminal. So if I open my browser and I search for the Beautiful Soup pip installer, right here, there it is. You just type in pip install Beautiful Soup, and then this would be the 4th version, so it'd be 4. So if I go back to my terminal, I type in pip install Beautiful Soup 4. I hit enter. It's going to collect it and it's going to download it for me, and there, it's done. It's going to say you are using pip version 19.2, and that's fine. If you get a little warning, it's okay. Everything's installed, and you can tell because it says right here, successfully installed Beautiful Soup. If you wanted to uninstall it, it's as easy as undoing the process by saying pip uninstall. But I mean, why would you? I mean, you already installed it. But if it says if you want to install in any way, you would just hit yes to proceed by typing Y, successfully removed. And if I want to reinstall it again, install it again, no problem. I like to use Keyboard, so I'm going to pip install, and I already know this one by heart. It's just Keyboard. There we go. Both of these are installed and ready for you to use. So that was a really quick rundown on how to do pip in Python. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave some comments. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. We'd love to have you here. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye.